Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Premiere Pro templates for motion graphics with After Effects, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Navigate to the project panel where your motion graphics template is located. Right-click on the template and select Edit in After Effects. After Effects will launch and load the selected template. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the After Effects interface. Locate the layers that you want to update or modify in the timeline. Select the layer to make changes, such as adjusting text, colors, or animations. Make the desired modifications, ensuring your updates align with the overall design. If you need to replace images or video, drag your new assets into the project panel. Now, replace the existing media with your new assets by selecting the layer and using the context menu. Once your updates are complete, go to the top menu and select File. Click on Save or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S or After saving, close After Effects. Return to Premiere Pro where your updated template will automatically refresh. Review the updates in the timeline to ensure everything aligns correctly. If adjustments are necessary, you may edit the template again in After Effects. Once finalized, you can export your sequence or continue editing as needed. This process ensures your motion graphics templates remain fresh and relevant in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.